Welcome to Social Studies for JSS 3. Today we study unity in diversity, how Nigeria's enormous ethnic and religious diversity can be a strength rather than a weakness. Nigeria's diversity. Nigeria is one of the most diverse countries in the world. Ethnic diversity. Nigeria has over 250 ethnic groups, some estimates say over 500. The three major ethnic groups are Hausa Fulani, mainly in the north, Yoruba, mainly in the southwest, Igbo, mainly in the southeast. Smaller but significant groups include Ijaw, Tiv, Kanuri, Ibibio, Efik, Nupe, Edo, and many others. Linguistic diversity. Each ethnic group has its own language or dialect. English is used as the official national language. Religious diversity. Nigeria is roughly divided between Islam, predominantly in the north, Christianity, predominantly in the south, traditional/indigenous religion, practiced by some in various parts. About 50% Muslim, 48% Christian, 2% other. Unity in diversity. Unity in diversity means that people of different backgrounds can come together as one nation while maintaining their different identities. Diversity is a strength when properly managed. It brings together different ideas, skills, cultures, and perspectives that enrich the nation. Benefits of Nigeria's diversity. Cultural richness. Nigeria's diverse cultures produce varied music, art, food, fashion, and festivals that are celebrated both nationally and internationally. Economic complementity. Different regions produce different goods. The north has livestock, groundnuts, and cotton. The south has cocoa, timber, and oil. Trade and exchange between regions strengthens the economy. Linguistic richness. Nigeria's many languages reflect centuries of human history. Resilience. A diverse country has many different ways of solving problems and adapting to change. Challenges of diversity in Nigeria. Ethnic conflicts, competition for land, resources, and political power between ethnic groups. Religious tensions, conflicts between Christians and Muslims, especially along the Middle Belt. Religious extremism, groups like Boko Haram, which means Western education is forbidden, have caused enormous violence in the Northeast. Stereotyping and prejudice, negative generalizations about other ethnic or religious groups. Marginalization. Some minority groups feel excluded from political power and economic opportunities. Strategies for promoting unity in diversity. 1. National unity education, teaching tolerance, respect, and the value of diversity in schools. 2. Interethnic and interreligious dialogue, creating opportunities for people of different backgrounds to meet and understand each other. 3. Federal character principle, ensuring all ethnic groups are represented in government and public institutions. 4. Equal rights and justice, ensuring all Nigerians have the same rights and opportunities regardless of ethnicity or religion. 5. Celebrating national culture, celebrating national festivals, cultural events, and diversity, Nigeria's National Festival of Arts and Culture, NEFEST. 6. Media responsibility, media outlets promoting respect and understanding rather than divisive narratives. 7. Interfaith initiatives, religious leaders from different faiths working together for peace. Related concept, national identity. A national identity is the sense of belonging to a nation and sharing common values, history, and goals with fellow citizens. It transcends, it goes beyond, ethnic and religious differences. Patriotism is the love of and devotion to one's country, a key element of national identity. Remember, Nigeria's diversity, over 250 ethnic groups, some estimates 500 plus, three major ethnic groups, Hausa Fulani, mainly in north, plus Yoruba, mainly southwest, plus Igbo, mainly southeast. Smaller significant groups equals Ijaw plus Tiv plus Kanuri plus Ibibio plus Efik plus Nupe plus Edo plus many others. Linguistic diversity. Each ethnic group has own language or dialect. English equals official national language. Religious diversity. Islam equals predominantly in north. Christianity equals predominantly in south. Traditional/indigenous religion equals some various parts, approximately 50% Muslim plus 48% Christian plus 2% other. Unity in diversity equals people of different backgrounds coming together as one nation while maintaining their different identities. Diversity is a strength when properly managed, brings together different ideas plus skills plus cultures plus perspectives that enrich the nation. Benefits: cultural richness, varied music plus art plus food plus fashion plus festivals, celebrated nationally plus internationally. Plus economic complementity. North has livestock plus groundnuts plus cotton, South has cocoa plus timber plus oil, trade between regions strengthens economy. Plus linguistic richness, Nigeria's many languages equals centuries of human history. Plus resilience, diverse country has many ways of solving problems plus adapting to change. Challenges: ethnic conflicts, competition for land plus resources plus political power. Plus religious tensions, Christians versus Muslims especially along Middle Belt. Plus religious extremism, Boko Haram equals Western education is forbidden, enormous violence in Northeast. Plus stereotyping plus prejudice, negative generalizations about other ethnic or religious groups. Plus marginalization, minority groups excluded from political power plus economic opportunities. Strategies: national unity education, teaching tolerance plus respect plus value of diversity in schools. Plus interethnic plus interreligious dialogue, opportunities for different backgrounds to meet plus understand each other. Plus federal character principle, all ethnic groups represented in government plus public institutions. Plus equal rights plus justice, all Nigerians same rights regardless of ethnicity or religion. Plus celebrating national culture, NEFEST equals National Festival of Arts and Culture. Plus media responsibility plus interfaith initiatives, religious leaders from different faiths working together for peace. National identity equals sense of belonging to a nation plus sharing common values plus history plus goals with fellow citizens, transcends ethnic plus religious differences. Patriotism equals love of and devotion to one's country equals key element of national identity. Thank you for studying social studies with us today.